I'm doing. This subscribe button right here, just to let you know, this button is not to subscribe to the Vulcan Report. This button is for people who I manage accounts for, and they know what that's for. They know what that's about. This right here is for you all. See the Vulcan Report? You want to go ahead and click that, because I have some links for some trading tools. A lot of people have asked me about learning how to trade the markets and stuff like that. So what I did was I uploaded some stuff here at the bottom of this. Right here is some old forecasts from the Vulcan Report from back in the day, going back to 2003 and 2004. And I want you, when you get a chance, to go ahead and take a look at some of that, because I think you're going to find it rather interesting. I don't spend a lot of time tooting my own horn and saying I'm all this and I'm all that. I don't need to do that. I just let my Vulcan Report speak for me, and let my forecast speak for me. But here's a copy of one from August of 2003. Okay, I'll let you peruse this at your leisure. You go ahead and you read that, and you tell me what's up. I think you're going to be surprised to find out that this actual report told you what was going to happen, which started happening in 2008 and is happening today. This is an actual report. It's downloadable. This takes you all the way back and explains to you what was coming down the pipe based on the predictive programming software that I have developed. Again, Thursday, August the 7th, 2003, 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This report went out to my subscribers at that time, telling them what was what. This was back when everyone was laughing at me when I warned them about the things that we're going through now. As you can see, back then the S&P 500 was trading in the 900 range. See right here? No one wanted to listen, and they paid the price. All I'm saying is, you know, the old expression, you can lead a camel to the water, but you can't make them drink. There's a lot of truth to that. You can give people the ability to basically have their own ATM machine in their house, the ability to print their own money, and yet they still won't take advantage of it. I put out these Vulcan Reports each and every day, and there are many who take advantage of it, but there's still some who don't. There's no excuse. Saying I don't know how to trade the market is not an excuse. I have made videos explaining how to use the Vulcan Report so that you can take care of your family. Some of you don't have jobs. You're unemployed. But the money you do have, you need to put it to use for you so it can grow, so you can afford to stock up on food and things that you're going to need. Because what are you going to do? What are you going to do knowing that there's no jobs coming for you? What are you going to do when your money runs out? You have to stack your paper some kind of way, guys. I mean, don't just sit around and doing nothing and feeling hopeless for yourself. Right now, you got someone like me trying to help you, trying to educate you, trying to show you how this is done. I don't know how many ways I can explain to you how to extract money from the market. I'm doing it on a daily basis. All you have to do is stop being lazy. Print this spreadsheet out. Go to yahoo.com finance or whatever and pull up a chart. Go, just take it security by security. See where I said buy and where I said sell. All right, the red one said you need to sell at this price. Put your stop loss here. You can see if it made money or not. It's not rocket science. It's either I was right or I wasn't. If these trades were triggered, it's either I was right or I wasn't. You could have got out at the low or high of the day, or got out on the close. I'm not going to sit here and go through all of these and compile all of these and do it for you. I've already given you the entry and exit points. All you have to do is go and look at a chart and see what you're missing, man. I mean, it's not hard. All right, I'm not deleting these posts. These posts are here. There are hundreds of them. All right, going back, you can choose, pick a day, and see what I had to say. Did it happen or didn't it happen? It's either I was right or wrong. There's no in between. All right. These are not some namby-pamby forecasts where I just say, oh, I think tomorrow the market's going to go up or it's going to go down. No, I tell you exactly, specifically, if it's going up, this is how you can take advantage of it. If it's going down, that's how you can take advantage of it. If there's no trades, I tell you it's no trades. And it's as simple as that. So that's all I got to say on this. Monday's trading was outstanding, outrageous. The amount of money we took out of the market was hilarious. That's all I got to say on that. If you didn't make money on Monday, it's your own fault. That's all I got to say. I don't want to hear, well, I don't know how to trade the market. The internet is full of free books and information. I'm not the only source. You can get free tools from all over the place. All right? And not just that, but how many times do I have to say I do this for a living? If you need me to manage the account for you, just say so. Send me a private message, and I'll talk to you. We'll see if it's something that can be done. Again, I'm selective on who I work with. I don't work with just anybody. I don't discriminate based on account size, but I don't just trade for anybody. All right, that's just how it is. But you don't know if you don't ask me, if you don't talk to me, if you don't come to me and say I need help. All right, that's all I gotta say on this video. It's gone too long anyway. We really need to get into No Snakes Allowed because there's a lot of things we got to cover because we don't have a lot of time. All right? That's it. Take what you can, give nothing back.